OPI gel color does not require an e-file for removal. However, we want to show you how to properly remove gel color with an e-file if that's your preferred method. Start by removing the shine with a fine removal safety bit. When removing shine, make sure to use little to no pressure. Let the e-file do the work for you. Notice how I move my e-file from the right side of the nail to the left side of the nail. I focus on the areas where shine and polish are visible to ensure I don't file the natural nail. The idea is to remove shine so my remover liquid can penetrate more easily for faster removal. Then, remove excess dust with a brush. Once almost all shine is removed, I will soak the nails to gently remove the gel color. To do this, fold the top of your nail wrap inward to create a seal. Saturate the pad with lacquer remover, then wrap each finger securely. Next, place hands inside hand mitts to help generate heat. This is especially great for clients with cold hands. Let your client soak for 5 to 10 minutes. With the nail mitts still on, remove the wraps using a twisting motion for mess-free removal. Then use a cuticle stick to gently push off the lifted product. Be sure to push from the cuticle area to the free edge to avoid any nail damage. If any gel color remains, simply rewrap and soak for an additional 2 to 5 minutes. If not, cleanse the nails of any residue that might be left behind. And then you're all set.